at Tik Tok Shop Haul.
Hey family, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's the Jersey Girl for Life. I wanted to share with you guys some of my TikTok finds. I went on TikTok probably about a month ago looking for some different items, and I actually took interest in some jewelry items and then a purse. You know how you fill your card up and you just don't hit go, right? I finally did it. It took about a week and a half for everything to get here, and it came in this package. They did ship like basically everything together, except I think I got 2 other items separately, but let's get into it. What did I get? All right, let me tell you, the main thing I wanted was like that, you know, the Clover jewelry look, the Van Cleef look. So they came like this, and I'm gonna take it out for you. I did opt to get more than one color. They were so reasonable. I am addicted to TikTok, actually. So in this set, I did get the black. It came with all these pieces. So here are the earrings. I also got the necklace and the ring. Wait, the necklace, bracelet. I don't think I opted for the ring. I think I put it back. I think I didn't move forward. Here's the necklace, and that's because I want nice jewelry pieces when I am doing my my videos. I don't like to have the same look on all the time, and I kept saying for over like a year and a half I was gonna get this, and I never did, but I went on and got the set. So it was earrings, bracelet, and necklace. I don't think I got the ring. Like I said, 2 of the pieces came before the rest. Let's move into the next pair. Is some earrings. You know, I absolutely love pink. So I got that because it gives, these type of items give you a nice soft look, and that is the look that I love. So here they are, gorgeous. Oh my God. And look at with my nails, right? As much as I am a hoop girl, I was born a hoop girl and love hoops, still do. I love a good stud. I will rock a stud every day, all day, right? And let me tell you, another one of my signature looks is putting a stud in my second hole and then a big hoop in the first one when I want that look. Okay, here is the next set that I got. And I felt like I would really rock the entire look if I bought the entire set. So here are the earrings in the pink. Trying to get close enough for you guys. Ooh. I'm about to be cute in my little videos and stuff like that. And Valentine's Day came right on time too. Here's the pink necklace. And I love how it's like all around, so I could get that look, you know. And here is the bracelet. And I'm going to put this in one of my jewelry boxes so I don't have to worry about them. Here is the bracelet. Look how nice that's going to look. Look, once I get it on there. Let me try it on for y'all. Look at that. Isn't it cute and dainty? I love that look. So that is that set. All right. I also grabbed these, and let me open them up for you. Look, if it take too much, it's getting cut. I don't have time for all that. Josh the boss just got home, so he's mommying me already. Aren't those beautiful? So cute. Look at that. So I get a combo of like a mini cuff hoop and then with the little clovers. That's going to be one of my, I'm going to love this. So I actually could put this in one hole and then put these at the bottom hole. Options. Okay. Moving right along. Oh, I do have some more stuff. I hate when I get to the point where it's almost over, right? Okay. I do what's in my bag videos. I've been doing advertisement for TikTok products. So my wedding ring is signature, but I like to switch it up with other rings. I am in love with this style ring. It is so gorgeous. Look at that. And I got it big so it could go on another finger other than my ring. Look, gorge. And hold on. Look, it looks so nice even on my middle finger. I'm gonna take this one off. I love that. I love the simplicity of it. And then I grabbed some matching earrings. I can't believe I'm cutting up all these little plastic bags that I possibly could have used, but I get enough of that stuff. So these are some little matching hoops. So cute. Wait, let's do this. Let's put them on. Let's put them on the nails, girl, so you can see. Look at that. Aren't they stunning? I love that. And I actually have a necklace that will go great with these that I got. I think my daughter bought it for my birthday. This birthday that just passed. I could even rock that on this finger and it won't be, it's not terribly, it comes off kind of easy, but I could still manage, right? So grab that. Let me show you some more. I was having a good little time on there. I got a bag too. Here I grabbed some bangles. Let me let you guys get a close up on them. So this is what they look like close up. I love a good stacked set. And they are adjustable because they are open-ended. So if you have a thicker wrist, don't worry about it, girl. You'll be able to rock them. Look at them close up. And you could just, when I'm rocking my, you could just cuff it. It does fit. And my wrist is about a 7. So just stack them on. However many you want to, you want to wear or not. But I like to stack these type of bangles with like my watch as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take those off, but you could close them in easily. It's a nice set, TikTok made me do it. Yes, I got them off TikTok Shop. And I grabbed a phone case. Now, I was mad because they no longer had this case in pink. I'm like, come on now, y'all can't do that to me. I'm tearing up all this packaging because I'm just not with. Oh, it's so cute. I just got it because I'm into content creation. And it's a camera. So it'd be cute on the days that I'm filming with my phone to actually have this camera looking case, and then it does come with a strap for me to hold it. And you can hook it here and here, like to the top and hold it, or you can make it like a wristlet. Cute. They come in black. They come in different colors. So that was the TikTok shop buy. This was for my kitchen because I'm always doing something in the house. So I jump around. I don't just get caught up in my bags and stuff. This is for my, between my counter and my stove, to make it nice and flat so that food cannot get through there. Timu was actually supposed to send me this, and I did not receive it in that package. I realized it later, but you get two, and yeah, it's gonna be cute. It makes it like seamless so that food don't go down there. And then a bag, a trending bag. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. I opted to get it in black. The color I love that they were showcasing was, oh, I see my daughter is texting me. She must be leaving boot camp. Okay. Was the cream. But this is like, they have it in corduroy, but this is the like fabric bag, and it supposedly fits so much that it's supposed to be like a never full. You can't fill it up, right? Here's the tab for carrying it. It's top handle. I thought, yeah, it comes with a crossbody strap. So that's what it would look like with this. I felt like I need a good bag to throw around. Good for travel. I could sit it if I had to on the floor, or if I'm going to some school games. This might be something cute, and you know, I don't have to always have like a designer bag. And you can fit your, they were showing, I'm going to do a video packing it with you guys, but you can fit like your computer and all that stuff. This is the bottom to reinforce. I'm just looking at it because this is my first time opening it. So this is to reinforce the bottom. Let me put it there. You can put your laptop. It has different sections for you to fit stuff. See, like that is sectioned off. Here is the additional strap. Very sturdy. They swear you can't tear it up. The girlies are loving this bag. I love the black and tan combination, so that's what I opted for because I don't have that. So I'm trying not to buy stuff that a replica of what I already have, or duplicate what I already have, right? Easy snap. Well, I'm gonna have to open my door up, but look at it with that. This is gonna be so cute. It even look cute with that just laying out there, and it looks very casual. Like you could just, and then you could fold the handles inside, and they don't have to show. And then you just, ooh, and I have on black right now. Rock it like that. Here's this side. It has pockets. So there's one, ooh, lots of pockets for pens, markers, cell phone, another pens, markers, or, you know, whatever. There's a place for a water bottle. In the front is bigger. You can put your cell phone. Like, say if mine was in the case, boom, right there. Then there's another pocket here, another pocket here. Check out TikTok. It's all over TikTok. Several colors. They really promote the cream. I think, oh, it's so sturdy, and I like that these don't have a lot of give. That way, when it gets weighty, I'm not worried about this like stretching. That material's not going to give. It's cute. I like that. So you guys will get a what's in my bag when that. I cannot remember because something came separately. And I don't want to hold up the video. I'll probably put it in another bin, but anyway, so far that's what I have grabbed from Tik Tok Shop. Let me know if you're interested in any links. The stuff was so freaking reasonable. Unbelievably, like you won't believe. So anyway, guys, I will see you on the very next video. Be better to yourself tomorrow than you were today. Y'all know it's never goodbye. I'll see y'all later.